Do you hear that? These are my crispy chicken potato bombs. They have a surprise center that makes them the perfect appetizer. If you have a few minutes, I will show you exactly how to make them. Welcome back to Gloria's Platter. Here is our surprise. Quail eggs. They are tiny, delicious, and the perfect fit. You can also use half a regular boiled egg if that's what you have. For the base, I'm using canned chicken breast. It's a fantastic shortcut, but ground chicken works perfectly too. Just make sure to drain the liquid and squeeze it dry so our bombs stay together. While I mash these 3 boiled potatoes, I would love to know, where are you joining us from today? Let me know in the comments. This recipe is actually quite similar to scotch eggs. If you missed my scotch egg video, I have linked it in the top right corner. Now for the flavor. We love a bit of heat, do you? I'm adding salt, black pepper, and finely chopped onions. If you ever want a specific recipe from me, just ask below. I'm also adding Thai chilies and fresh tomatoes. When you crush your garlic like this, what tool do you use? I find this way the most satisfying. Saute the garlic, chilies, and onion for 3 minutes. Add the tomatoes for another 4. Then in goes our chicken and potato mixture. I like a squeeze of lemon here. It's optional, but it really brightens the flavor. Add your chili powder based on your spice tolerance and let the mixture cool completely before we shake them. For the batter, 1 egg and a tablespoon of flour. Now take about 2 tablespoons of the mixture, flatten it and seal that quail egg inside. Roll it until it is a neat ping pong sized ball. Time for the breading station. Pro tip is always keep one hand dry for the breadcrumbs. How many do you think I managed to make? Some people say the final number is unlucky. Write your guess in the comments. Now we fry. Use a piece of bread to test the oil. If it floats, you're ready. Don't overcrowd the pan. 3 or 4 at a time is perfect. Let them sit for 2 minutes before you move them. The smell is incredible. If you are enjoying this, remember to subscribe to Gloria's Platter. Share this with anyone who loves a deep fried snack. If you loved these, you have to check out my deep fried cheese chicken balls or Sri Lankan fish cutlets linked below. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.